cider vinegar is one of the best things to have in your diet. It helps to keep you at a more alkaline based diet versus acidic, and it helps to speed up your metabolism, and it's also a detoxifier. So what we're going to use is some apple cider vinegar. Then you're going to add some water. Some honey. I promise you this will not taste like vinegar. It'll taste just like warm apple cider. Then you're going to add some ground cinnamon. Oh. You can be generous. It depends on how much cinnamon you like to add. You can add as much as you like. Okay, now I have a strainer that comes with the teapot. I'm just gonna add that and I'm gonna squeeze 1/2 a lemon juice just so that it can catch the seeds from the lemon. I'm just gonna place this on a burner for about 2 minutes. I don't want it to be hot. I want it to be warm, but if you're not gonna drink it right away, you can boil it to the point where it's hot. Then you can have it later on. It's all up to you and what your preference is. So one thing for sure, I know vegans cannot have honey. Use stevia instead. Use 2 tablespoons of stevia instead of honey. Okay, so that's been about 2 minutes. My nieces and nephews, they actually love this, and they're very picky children. Very picky. They just can't see me make it. That's the only thing. You can make a large pitcher of this. Instead of having this in the morning, you can actually make a large pitcher and drink it throughout the day. And there you have it, your warm apple cider drink. Enjoy.